Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these 140 piece short French nail tips. Alright, so today we have received our nail tips. This one here is offered in several different colors, shapes, and sizes. So this one has 14 sizes in a box. It is a perfect length, medium thickness, easy to form and cut. They have 0 all the way up to size 13. These are a multi-angle display. It's got the front side and you have the back side where you can see the top side is the clear up for your finger, and then it has the tips on the bottom. So I did use these ones to do a polygel nail, and then I just use these tips as regular nails. So this one here is a size 0. They do have the numbers on the nails itself. So this one here would fit my thumb. Each nail is numbered, each easy way to find and know what number you are. And once you get done to sticking these to your fingernails, you just take this top part right here off and then just cut it. So these are a very nice set of nail tips. If you want to use them, just use super glue and do it like that, or if you want to use polygel and then just use the polygel under that to stick it to your fingers, you can use either method. Either one you choose, they look very great. These French tip nails are super nice, especially when you put the polygel. If you use the pink color like I do, it makes it look really natural. So if you're looking for some nice nail tips to either glue on or use polygel or gel, I would highly recommend checking these ones out.